Good morning, everyone. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the process of job evaluation. In this lecture, we need to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of job evaluation. So, according to ILO publication, the job evaluation offers following disadvantages, which you might have seen on the slide. First is job evaluation being a logical process and the objective technique which help in developing an equitable and consistent wages and salary structure based on the relative worth of the job in the organization, as the definition suggests. And job evaluation, by eliminating wage differentials within the organization, job evaluation help in minimizing the conflict between labor unions and the management, and in turns helps in promoting harmonious relationship between them. See, if there is a difference in union and the management, there will always be a industrial unrest. So job evaluation may help smoothing the relationship between laborers and management. Job evaluation simplifies the wage administration by establishing uniformity in wage rate. In case of new jobs, job evaluation facilities is spotting them into the existing wages and salary structure. However, in modern times, the mechanism performance depends much on the machines than on the workers himself or herself. In such cases, job evaluation provide the realistic basis of determining the wages. So in the time of modernization or IT advancement, job evaluation takes a much higher place. The information generated by job evaluation may also be used for improving improvement in selection and transfer and promotion procedure on the basis of comparative job requirement. Job evaluation rates the job, not the workers. So it is very much important to understand that job evaluation and performance appraisal are two different aspects. Job evaluation is the procedure for rating the jobs, whereas job performance appraisal is procedure for rating the workers. Organization have large number of job within with specialization. It is job evaluation which helps in rating these jobs and determining wages and salary, and also removing ambiguity if there any exist. So this is all about the advantage of job evaluation. Now we need to discuss the disadvantages or drawbacks of job evaluation. See, in spite of having many advantages, job evaluation suffers from many disadvantages and limitations as well. If we talk about the drawbacks, job evaluation is susceptible because the human error and subjective judgment. While there are no standard list of factors to be considered for job evaluation, these all are manual, so it could bear manual mistakes. There is a variation between wage fixed through job evaluation and market force. So the job which tend to rate higher as compared with the market are those of junior nurses and typists, where which craft rate are relatively low. So weaker section are better served by any evaluation plan than by the market. The former place the uh, emphasis not on force but on the equity side. Next is when the job evaluation is applied for the first time in the organization, it creates so much of doubt or ambiguity in the mind of workers. Those jobs are evaluated, and trade unions that it might do away with the collective bargain or for fixing wage rates. Job evaluation methods being lacking in the scientific basis, there and are often looked upon as suspicious about the efficacy of methods of job evaluation. So there are no standard methods of job evaluation. That is why such things happen. Job evaluation is basically a time consuming process, and it required a specialized technical personnel to undertake the process of job evaluation. Next is, job evaluation is not found suitable for establishing the relative worth of managerial job. See, it is basically dealt with the job which require technical skill, but it is not suitable where the in the jobs where more mental works are involved. uh, Given the changes in the job content and the work condition, frequently evaluation of job is essential, and this is not very easy and simple process to do time and again. And lastly, job evaluation leads to a frequent and substantial changes in wages and salary structure. This in turns create a financial burden on the organization as well. So these are the advantages and drawbacks when it comes to job evaluation process in the organization. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.